Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve supplemental insurance with Mutual of Omaha step by step clearly. Begin by researching the various supplemental insurance options offered by Mutual of Omaha. Make a list of the types of coverage available, such as dental, vision, and critical illness insurance. Visit the Mutual of Omaha website to gather detailed info. Compare the benefits and costs of different plans to determine which best suits your needs. Assess your current healthcare costs to identify gaps that supplemental insurance can fill. Consider your current medical needs and any expected changes in your healthcare requirements. Contact a Mutual of Omaha representative to discuss your findings and ask specific questions. Request a personalized quote based on your unique circumstances and coverage requirements. Review the terms and conditions of the chosen policy carefully to understand the coverage limits and exclusions. Evaluate the customer service reputation of Mutual of Omaha through online reviews and testimonials. Ask about any additional services or resources that may enhance your policy, such as wellness programs or telehealth options. Finalize your decision by completing the application. Once your policy is active, regularly review it to ensure it continues to meet your needs. Keep updated on any changes in Mutual of Omaha's offerings that could benefit you in the future. Engage with your representative for periodic check-ins to reassess your insurance needs over time. Maintain organized records of your policy documents and communication with Mutual of Omaha for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.